That honestly, the Chobani creamers are like one of my favorite creamers. But I recently got the s'mores one. I tasted it. Wasn't really my favorite, but the sweet cream one is actually so good. So if you guys want to go get that, get it. But anyways, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I currently just got dressed because I think we're gonna go to Walmart right now, and I wanted to add some cologne, but I remembered, I didn't forget, I swear. No, but like I remembered that my sister got me this cologne for my birthday, and I've been actually really wanting to try out this cologne, and I've been waiting to open it up so I could unbox it with you guys, because imagine me just making content, but like not for real. I wanted to unbox it with you guys because why not, you know. So yeah, that's basically what I'm gonna be doing right now, and I'm also gonna unbox my Birkins that I got for my birthday. So this is basically an unboxing gift video kind of, but not really. Let me unbox this first because I really want to use this today. Honestly, I haven't even tried this out yet. I think I do remember smelling this like a few months ago, and I did end up liking it. That's why I put it on my birthday list. But I really like the packaging. I'm a sucker for anything that looks clear, like crystalline, metallic, blue almost. But it's really cool. I like the bottle. Although I will say Jean Paul Gaultier's bottles are really good. I also like Tom Ford's bottles. But anyways. I'm a sucker, like I said before. I really love citrusy fragrances, and for me this smells exactly like lemons. It's like this very fresh lemony fragrance. I really don't know how to read colognes or anything like that, but I'll just put up the list of notes that it has. I don't know, I just like what I like, and I like it, and it reminds me of summer, reminds me of like lemons. If watch it probably not have lemons, but like I don't know, it smells very citrusy to me. I'm not a snob, so I don't know the exact freaking names to call it, but I really like this, and thank you sister, shout out to you. Okay, now this next little item right here. Yo, they're nice, oh, they're nice. Dude, why do my teeth look yellow? I say, what the f. This was gifted to me by my mom. Thank you, mom, so much. I love them. But I'm not gonna be wearing these today, although I do really like them, and these are actually the size that I like. I did go down a size, if you guys are wondering. Birks, in my opinion, do come a size bigger. I have the black ones in a size 8 because usually I am an 8. But this one I got it as a 7 to 7.5. Because look, just to compare, these are the black ones that I have, and they are size 8 to 8.5, I think. Oh wait, no, these are just a size 8, I think. But anyways, just to compare, this is the black pair that I have. And as you could see, the black one is a bit bigger and the other one is a little bit smaller. But I feel like you can't really tell the difference until I turn around, because you could hella tell from the back. I really do like these though, and I cannot wait to wear them in the fall time, because dude, they're gonna hit in the fall time. If you're also wondering the colorway, this is mocha. I also really want to get the taupe ones and maybe even the navy colored ones, because like I said before, I really like the color blue and navy. Yeah, I'm gonna have to, or maybe I could wear, nah, I'm gonna wear the black ones today. So yeah, now the fit is complete, and instead of just leaving my hair like this, I'm just gonna wear a hat because it is pretty hot, which is also strange because I don't know if it's just me, but I'm noticing that the weather's getting colder at nighttime. But yeah, I think this is it, yeah, because I really don't want to do too much. Kind of like a chill little lazy day today.